Yes, hello Vinny, this is Ray, and in this short video I will be going over your new website with you. Please take a few minutes and watch this video all the way through as I go over your new website and the various features of your website. Please keep in mind that all of the example content that you see on your website is simply to give you a running start and to show you where everything will go as soon as you add your own content and actual products. So because you didn't have a current website or any of your product pictures or descriptions, what I did was I just picked out some random gowns and dresses from the internet, added them as your products just to show you basically how the website will work. Obviously, I need some content for testing purposes, but using the visual editor and the tutorials that I'll provide, you can change everything on this website, everything including your logo, um, your logo placement, the slides, what the slides say. You can have unlimited slides in this slideshow. You can change the wording in your welcome message. You can change the wording on these feature boxes here. You can change the background, what products are displayed on the home page. You can pretty much change everything using the visual editor. It's very easy, and if you refer to the initial emails I sent you, I even included links to actual tutorials I've made for other customers. So you can see how easy it is once the website is moved to take control and manage all of the content. But let's go over the various features of the website. You have prominent on every page a search box if somebody wants to search for a specific type of gown or dress. You have an ongoing tally here of your shopping cart. You also have your menu bar here. Now look what happens when you scroll. Keep your eye on the menu bar. When you scroll on your website, the menu bar goes to the top and actually is visible as you scroll down throughout the entire website. So people don't have to scroll all the way back up to go to your menu. As you scroll down, it's visible because first it starts here and then the website will automatically make it into a sticky menu. So no matter where you are on the bottom of the page even, you have access to the menu. And that's just Web Design 101, making sure people have easy access to the navigation. Now, of course, this is the home page. So the home page is meant to introduce people to your service, letting them know you have gowns for any occasion. You can rent or buy any gown, and you also have custom tailored gowns and dresses. I also thought that it would be a good idea on the home page to have a section showing 4 of your featured gowns or dresses that are on sale. There's a feature on the website that I set up that allows you to put any item on sale, and you can select a specific date range. So you can put an item on sale for 5 days showing the regular price and the sale price. And then after the 5 days are over, the website will automatically, without you having to do anything, revert back to the regular price and remove that item from this featured area. And this featured area will automatically update as you update the gowns and dresses that are on sale. And so this area of the home page shows 4 gowns and dresses that are on sale. When you put your mouse over it, you'll notice you can immediately add an item to the cart. So if you look here to the top right, I can put my mouse over any product and do a quick add to the cart without having to actually go to that product page. Now you see it's added to my cart. Or I can click on an item and go directly to that item page if I want more details. And when you scroll through this area, you scroll through every single item that's on sale. So any item that you have a sale active on your website will be displayed here in numbers of 4, and it's a very nice scrolling feature. It's very attractive and it's an elegant touch to the website. And of course you have the actual product page. This is the actual page of any given product. You have different variations of pictures, for example, that you can have multiple pictures for any product if you want. When you put your mouse over a picture, you can see a magnified view. You also have the add to cart, and if somebody wants to inquire about renting, they can click here and inquire about renting. You can update this form to collect any type of information, and of course tutorials will show you how. People can read the description of the dress here. Other dresses that are in the same category will be here. And keep in mind that these are all just example products. You have total control using the back end of arranging your product categories. All of these categories I set up are strictly for example purposes only because you didn't give me any products. So I just filled them up with some example items, but you can replace that. And also, if we go back to the home page, you'll see that we have some of your featured categories here. We have wedding gowns, homecoming gowns, quinceanera dresses, and dancewear. And then I also have an area on the home page for featured this month. I thought it would be a good idea every month to feature a certain category of gowns or dresses, this month being Latin rhythm. And if you click on here, you'll go to that Latin rhythm page. And every month you can change this bottom right area to feature another category, maybe quinceañeras or New Year's gowns and dresses. Of course, we have your social links spread out through various areas of the website. But if you click here to go to Latin style, you'll see all the Latin style dresses. You'll notice that on the side of every page we have a measuring guide, and if you click here on measuring guide, I just thought it would be a good idea to put a little measuring guide for customers on how to take the perfect measurements for the right fit of their gowns and dresses. You can see here. Now this is all stock images that I got from the internet. You can change any of these with whatever graphics or information you want. This is just to give you a running start. If somebody goes here to the About page, this is of course general information, About Us information. You will of course want to change this to say exactly what you want. Again, very easy to do so using the visual editor. So just some basic About Us information. We have here on this page renting fashions, information on how the rental process works, and of course you can change this as often as you want, but I just put some starter content here to get you going. We have your catalog here with all the different categories, and these are all just example categories that I set up with some example products to give you something to replace. It's always easier when you get a new website to replace content than coming up with content of your own. So by me adding these example categories and dresses, you can very easily go and replace these with your own items, because now you know where everything goes, and just follow the tutorials on how to delete the example products and replace them with your own. We have a Q&A page, just some standard questions and answers regarding your gowns and dresses. Of course, the idea on this page is to have all the most common questions and answers that people ask you on this one page to make it easy for yourself so you're not answering the same questions over and over again. But of course, if somebody has a question, they can fill out this form and email you. And then we have your contact information on the Contact Us page. And this, of course, will route to your email. So if somebody asks you a question on this form, it'll go to your email. We'll have your phone number here. I will need you to provide me with the exact phone number you want me to put in this section. I want to show you the checkout process. If we go here to shopping bag, I want to simply show you that the checkout process works beautifully. I've already set up my PayPal for testing purposes. So the website is ready to take orders. You can actually go through the website, add items to your cart, start shopping, but do not place an order because you will be charged. If you have a discount code, you can put that here. I will show you in tutorials how to create discount codes and coupon codes to give customers discounts and special offers. Very useful marketing tool. You can select here. I have taxes set up for you, and I have the option for you to switch collecting tax on and off. You can either charge tax or not charge tax. You can charge tax based by state or city or county. Tutorials will show you how, and I do not set that up for liability reasons. I leave it up to the customer to set up their tax structure, how they want to charge taxes. You also have multiple shipping options. Right now we have free shipping, but I've worked in various other shipping options for you to choose from, which is flat fee shipping, for example, say $10, $15 per order, shipping based by product, or shipping based by weight, and you can easily switch back and forth. And tutorials will show you how. It's very easy. If we go ahead and go to checkout, I want to simply show you here. The checkout process is super simple. People will simply click here, proceed to checkout. They'll put in their information. So here we'll put in just some basic information here. I just want to show you how the checkout process works. So people will go ahead and put in their information. If they have a different shipping address, they can select a different address than their billing address. If not, the billing address will be used for each shipping and billing. And then you have a tally of your order here. If you were charging shipping, you would see that total. And then place order. And you can see that it currently is connected to my PayPal account. And we can place the order. If I were to finish the order right now, the website would charge me. You would get a notification that an order has been placed, and the customer would get an automatic receipt as well. So you can see everything is complete. All that's left to do now is for you to take control of the website, watch the tutorials, and follow the simple steps of replacing all of the example products with your own, going through and changing some of the example content that I set you up with, and then you're ready to begin taking orders on your website. Thank you so much for your patience, Vinny. It's been a pleasure to create this website for you.